Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum KG1 and welcome to your English class. I hope you had a great weekend and you enjoyed your Eid. Now welcome back to school and this is 8th week of the third term. In this week, we are going to write CVC words and sentences. The learning outcomes are the students will be able to write CVC words and sentences. Firstly, I'm going to explain how you can write CVC words easily and correctly. Now look at the first word. The word is bin and it consists of three alphabets that are B, I and N. Now you have to focus that all the three alphabets have been written close enough to make a word, but they are not joined together. The space should be enough just to make it look like a single word. It should not be too much. If you will give too much space between the alphabets, it will look like two different words. So kindly write it together and give minimal space just to make it a nice and beautiful word. Now look at the second word, hut. Again, focus on all the three alphabets and focus on the spacing. Don't put too much space between the alphabets and make it look nice single word. The third word is when. So first you can practice writing these words in order to have complete mastery over it. Now I'm going to explain how you can use the words that have been written earlier to make a sentence. High frequency words have been taught in the first and second term. Now we are going to use the same high frequency words in order to write a sentence. The first word is this. Now you can see the spacing is the same that was shown earlier. The second word is. Now look at the spacing between these two words, this and is. There is enough gap that makes them look like two separate words. The third word is a and last word is cat. So this is a cat. Now focus. In between the alphabets in a single word, the spacing is not too much, but between two different words, the spacing is greater than that. So while you're writing the sentence, you have to focus on the spacing and the line scheme and also the spellings and the formation. So kindly keep all these points in your mind while writing the sentence. This is your first worksheet on which you are going to write three-letter words. The pictures have been shown and under each picture one box is given. Now, in order to guide you, at the end of the page there is one box and in that box the spellings of all the objects that have been shown up are already written. You are going to first look at the object, identify it, and then identify its spelling from the box, and then you are going to write it. Kindly follow the lines and the formations that have been taught throughout the year in order to write a beautiful word. So, you're going to follow the same procedure while writing. First, you're going to see the object, then you are going to name the object, then you are going to identify the name from the box, and then at the end, you are going to write that name on the lines. So kindly follow this procedure, and I hope that you do it really well. This is your second worksheet on which you are going to transcribe the given sentence down. This sentence is this is a cat. As You remember that I have explained how you are going to write the sentence, how much space you are going to give. So you have to follow all these points and kindly follow the lines and the formation that have been taught throughout the year. The lines and the formations have been explained very clearly in the first and second term. So kindly follow that in order to write on the lines and your sentence will look very beautiful. I hope that you are going to write very, very, very neat work. You all are very good students. So, best of luck and do your work neatly and nicely. Thank you.